Hello there, this is Tapas Fleming, TATlife.com. I've been hearing something similar from people all over the world in the last couple of months. So if this applies to you, I hope this will help you out right now. People are saying, I feel like I can't fulfill my life's purpose. Some people say, I don't know what it is. I can't know what it is. And some people say, I'll never be able to fulfill my highest purpose or my life's purpose. So in case this is going on for you, what you want to do is take that thought itself and put it in the pot, as we say, which just simply means you're going to be working on it with TAT. And then also notice other thoughts like it. People have been telling me they've been hearing things almost like they've been projected in from somewhere that don't seem to even belong to them. Thoughts like, you'll never fulfill your life's purpose. Forget it. You don't have what it takes. This will never happen for you. Bunch of negative things that some of my clients have been just trying to hold out, but they're being as if blasted in. So whatever those thoughts are that are happening for you, if this is, then put all those thoughts in the TAT pot. Don't just try to strong arm them away. Take and throw them into that TAT pot. And as you're going along doing TAT, if any more thoughts like that come up, then add those into the pot as well. Also notice if there are any physical sensations that go with it, like, oh, my head feels like it's in a vice, or things just feel so vague, I can't concentrate like I'm used to, or trying to move ahead, I feel like there are big balls of cement on each foot, and trying to take even one step forward seems impossible. So any feelings or imagery like that, add that into the pot too. Plus any emotions like, oh, I feel so hopeless about this. Or I'm angry, but I don't even know who to be angry at. It's just going on. I don't know. It's coming from somewhere, but I can't stop it. So all those things, thoughts, feelings, sensations into the pot about, I can't fulfill my life's purpose. So then just do the whole TAT process about that. And when you get to the I choose statement, make it always in the here and now, like, I'm now fulfilling my life's purpose, not I'm going to, because that puts it somewhere way in the future, some indeterminate time. So you want to say, I'm fulfilling my life's purpose now. And maybe, and I have all the help I need to do it, and it's so easy. So whatever positive I choose statement you want to make, do that, and that'll help you. So it's my wish for you to fulfill your life's purpose and to be really happy and fulfilled. So please give this a try with the whole TAT process. And from what I've seen with my clients, you'll be happier. This should help you out really easily. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.